Hey everyone, Nvidia has finally released a beta version of Nvidia app which lets you fine-tune game and driver settings, in-game overlay for recording, filters and performance monitoring. Nvidia app replaces Nvidia GeForce Experience aka GFE and no longer requires login to use. Yes, you heard it, no login required to use Shadowplay and other Nvidia features except for redeem coupons or games. Works on Nvidia GTX 800 desktop and mobility series and later. I'll add the download links in the description. I'm using an older driver release 536.23. Let's take a quick look at disk usage, and it uses 430 megabytes, and first look at DLL and folder structure. It seems to use Chromium Embedded Framework Ceph in short. Ceph is used by Steam Client, OBS Studio, Autodesk, Epic Games, GOG etc. and allows the app to be cross-platform. Under Home section you have Library section that shows all your recently used games and apps. You can hover on the app or game to launch or optimize it on per app or game basis. Under Drivers, you will be able to download latest drivers with easy-to-read bullet points to highlight what's new and issues fixed. You also have the ability to view current installed driver and reinstall the driver by clicking on three dots. Under Graphics, you can click on Optimize All to apply recommended settings to all apps and games. For example, under Witcher 3 you can see I'm using custom graphics with FSR to optimize for high FPS on my GTX 980M, and Nvidia recommended values significantly downgrades the quality, so it's a hit or miss. I will give Nvidia the benefit of doubt since it's a beta app. Anyway, I can make a video comparing the quality side by side, so please comment if you would like to see it. Under Global Settings, you will see options present in standard Nvidia control panel such as RTX HDR, battery boost, ultra latency mode, max frame rate, image sharpening, power management mode, shader cache, and vertical sync. In Redeem section, you will be able to redeem coupon codes included with their Nvidia GPUs, which requires a login. For now, it's not working. Under Settings you have three sections, namely System, Notifications, and About. Under System, you will see your system specifications, Nvidia overlay, game and photo filters, auto-optimize new games or apps. You can also open Nvidia Control Panel. Under Notification you can enable notifications about new drivers and rewards. Under About, you can opt in to receive new Nvidia app updates and even share additional telemetry about your machine specification if it's causing issues. We're almost reached the end of the video, and finally a better overlay from Nvidia that is easy to use and looks very modern and intuitive. You can use the hotkey Alt-Z or simply click on the triangular icon on top right. Here you will see various options to customize the overlay and recording to your specific tastes. You can choose linear, double, or stack display for GPU, FPS and latency statistics. You can take a screenshot in supported games using shortcut Alt F1 or simply bring up the overlay using Alt Z and click on Screenshot option. Similarly, you can record the gameplay using Shadowplay to produce good quality recording without slowing down the PC or lags. Not sure if anyone used OBS while gaming and recording at the same time, which produced choppy gameplay and had to restrict the recording to 30 FPS. With this we've reached the end of the video. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.